guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a Romand lip product collection. I've done a couple of Romand lip product videos in the past and it seems like you guys really enjoyed it. So I'm back filming another one. This is basically a mini collection video. These are just the colors that I really enjoyed and after like a little declutter because I definitely got rid of some of the colors. So these are my basically ultimate favorites, minus one that I have back home, but I'll still link that one in the description box. Romand is basically a Korean like makeup brand. They have some really great lip products like glossy lip tints that look really good. Again, everything is linked in the description box. They are affiliate links, but they won't cost you guys anything. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I have all the colors right here. So I actually have 8 to show you guys, but one of them is actually a 3CE product that I just wanted to throw in because it's like my ultimate favorite. All right, so I'm gonna start off with like my favorite color from Romand, which is in the shade number 21, Deep Sangria. Love the name, love sangrias so much, so yummy. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand as well. This is just what the color looks like. I'm gonna put it on my lips really quickly. It's a really, really pretty, cool toned, deep red color, like a reddish purple color. I don't know why I'm holding this Q-tip, guys. I'm sorry, it's probably gross, but I usually apply it with like a Q-tip because I don't like really going at it with the applicator. But basically it just looks like a red sangria, a really nice like red winey lip product. Really, really pretty. It's very like 就是会显得气色非常好 because as you guys saw in the intro of this video, I wasn't wearing any lip products and you know, with this, it just looks a lot better. So this is the first color in Deep Sangria. I really recommend anyone to get this. Also, if you want your skin to look a little bit brighter and more, you know, make your skin look more like healthy, lively, and like with color, I definitely recommend Deep Sangria. 真的闭眼入姐妹们冲. Like I really love this product, but let's move on to the second color. All right, guys, so I just removed Deep Sangria. I don't know why I started off with such a deep color because my lips are like kind of tinted right now, but I just really wanted to talk about that one because it's like one of my favorites. So I guess we'll just do like light to dark from now. This is in the shade number 19, Almond Rose. Really, really, really pretty pinky nude color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hands. So that is what it looks like. It's kind of like a mauvey nudish pink. So it's a little bit more natural. It's definitely a lot more everyday and it still adds a lot of color and like flush back into my face, which I really love and appreciate. You could definitely wear this to work and it would be just a really nice pop of color, a great school lip product as well. If you guys are looking for that, I highly recommend this. It's just super everyday and like a daily look. Like some of the darker colors are great if you want to like go hang out with friends, but I think like an everyday my lips but better type of vibe, I really appreciate like colors like this where it's a little bit more muted. I think muted is the right word to describe this color. So if you guys are looking for a muted pinky color, then definitely highly recommend Almond Rose. That was just some of the Juicy Lasting tints, which are a little bit more glossy and create that kind of like bully twin, like glass lip look. I also have a couple of their Zero Velvet tints to show you guys. Packaging like this has the nude colored cap. I also really love the texture of these products because it's just so velvety and comfortable and just like good quality. So that's what it looks like right there. It's just a really beautiful burnt red color. It kind of looks like the velvet tint version of Max Chili, if you guys know that color as well. Really, really popular. This is what number 16 Burny Nude looks like. Super pretty. I just like fell right in love with it again. It's so good, guys. The texture, like I would describe it as weightless. It feels like nothing on your lips. Obviously, like it does have color transfer. Like if you drink water or like drink, you know, coffee, color will come off, but it's like you just reapply it and it still looks super good. Yeah, I'm getting like really excited because I actually really, really love this color. I haven't used it in a while. So good. So the next color is actually also from their Zero Velvet tint line, and this is in the color number 19, Earl Grey Shawl. So this is what the color looks like. It's a little bit more warm tone on my lips, so it appears as kind of like a orangish coral color in this lighting. I think this color is like such a beautiful pop to like the summer season. Definitely recommend this to you guys because the texture is great, the colors are beautiful, it's pigmented, like you don't have to worry about pigmentation. Whatever you see in the tube is gonna apply great on your lips. Sorry guys, I'm wearing PJs, but yeah, pigmentation is great. super weightless. Like, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel thick, like gorgeous. This is Earl Grey Shawl. Really, really love it. Linked down below. And let's move on to the next color. This is in the shade. You guys hear these again, the sirens? Don't mind it because I want to finish filming this video. This is in the shade number 20, Berry Knit. Really, really beautiful kind of berry red color. This would be such a good winter lip color, guys. Like, this is so beautiful. This would be so good, you know, date night, a nice restaurant, the lips, like, looks so good, guys. Obviously it transfers, but the lasting power is really good on these lip products. You don't have to worry about the color completely wearing off during the day or during the night. This is just really pretty. So yeah, I just really love it. Let's move on to the next couple of colors. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is a number 12 Cherry Bomb. Really nice, bright pinky red color. It looks kind of like fuchsia almost on the lips, but definitely such a great summer color. So yeah, if you guys are looking for good summer lip colors, then highly recommend having like a base color of like red and then adding in like pink undertones or like bluer undertones to make it appear like pinkier is like a really great vibe. So Cherry Bomb just does all that. I'm like really trying to describe this well, so hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Also, if you guys are looking for a color that makes your skin appear a little bit brighter, like you want to appear a little bit brighter and whiter, colors like this where it's got like bluer undertones or like pinky undertones just really light up your skin right away. So this is Cherry Bomb, and let's move on to the last one. Okay, my lips are definitely a little bit stained, a lot stained. Last juicy lasting tint I want to share with you guys is number 17 Plum Coke, which is like a deeper purple color, like a red with purple undertones. That's the color right there. I'm gonna have like a lot of trouble washing my hands later, but really, really pretty color. Just looks like red wine type of vibes. Like, it's basically just a really dark red with bluish, like purple undertones. Adds a lot of color into your face. And yeah, this is definitely a great nighttime color, like a great weekend color, going out with friends type of color, guys. So again, if you're looking for like a nice lip tint, even for like the fall and winter and also for summer, this is definitely the color to go for. I think I've talked about this a couple of times and I've like written a Xiaohongshu post on it as well. This is the 3CE Style Nanda Velvet Lip Tint in the shade Going Right. And I literally have a backup of this because that's how much I love it. The texture is like amazing. It just feels like the Zero Velvet tints. This color is like a little bit more different. It's basically like a orange coral-ish nude color type of look. It just looks so natural. It's like the perfect everyday my lips but better type of look. Like, I just love it every single time I wear it. It's like the most pretty terracotta color, but it's like natural. Like, it's not like orange or like in your face, you know? Very, very amazing. It just looks so good, guys. If you guys want an everyday color, Going Right by 3CE is so good. You cannot go wrong. If you guys are like my skin tone, this color will look absolutely amazing on you. So just link down below, try it out, let me know how it is. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming. I just like haven't sat down to like film a video in such a long time, so this was really, really amazing and kind of like therapeutic for me. So I'm gonna go remove this now and probably film another video. Yeah, definitely check me out on my other social media accounts linked in the description box. As I always say, I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.